People go into business for many reasons. Your why is very important. So think about this. I mean, really think about this. Why did you start your business? Or why do you want to start a business? Out of all the reasons, what is your passion? What are your goals for your business? I found that people who have not discovered their passion and their why generally lose motivation, and that stifles their goals and dreams. So what makes you come alive? What is the goal and the desires you have for your business moving forward? Remember, your why is what makes you take action. And taking that action on your why is the greatest thing you can do for your business. People start a business for many, many reasons. It's almost as many as there are people because everybody is unique. And that's great. You want to do your business for the reasons for yourself, not others, not because of something you think somebody wants you to do your business for, or what perception of other people are as far as like why you should or should not start a business. That is entirely up to you. It is your dream, your goals, what you want in life. So you have to seriously think about what you really want to achieve with this business. The thing about knowing your why is that people who have not discovered their passion will lose motivation, which in turn can stifle their dreams and goals. Knowing your why will drive you, and it will keep you focused, and you will stay on course and achieve the goals and dreams that you would like.